Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can edit your Fiverr profile. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to fiverr.com. After you go to fiverr.com, make sure that you have your account logged in. If not, go ahead and log into your account. And you should also know that you must be switched to the seller account. If you are in the buying account, you can't edit your profile. You can only edit your profile when you are in the seller account. So go ahead and switch your account type to seller. Go ahead and click on your profile over here. So after click on profile, your profile menu will load up. So you can see preview profile over here. Go ahead and click on this preview profile and you can see that you have the things about yourself. So you can see the more about me option. You can edit this quite easily. I'm going to teach it to you. So go back and go to this page and you can see this edit option. What you need to do is write down your story in one line. So you can write about yourself. You can write something like what you have done, what you need to do, or what is your aim. So I'm just going to go ahead and write something about myself. After that, you can see that you can even change the profile picture. So if you want to change it, you can just click on this camera icon and choose the profile picture, which clearly shows that this person is you. After you change it, you can see that there is an option to change display name as well. So if you have any choices of changing the name, you can go ahead and change the name and click on save display picture. After you do so, your display picture will be changed as well. So if you scroll a bit down, you can see the description. If you want to change the description on your profile, click on edit description and write a different description about yourself. If you scroll a bit down, you can see some of your skills like your languages, your extra skills, your education and certifications. You can change all of this within your profile by clicking on add new. It will be automatically changed and saved. So you can also see the drafts and active gigs. You can enable or disable it or delete it according to your wish. So guys, this is how you can change your profile or edit your profile on Fiverr. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.